Today's topic is how to install Revit using an official educational access license. Here, you can see the installer files we obtained from the official Autodesk website. First, turn off the internet. Otherwise, it may take a longer time for installation. Double-click on setup.exe. After clicking, it will start preparing for the installation process. After the preparing for installation process is completed, Revit will start verifying all the minimum system requirements. Next, the license and service agreement page will appear. Read carefully and click on I agree. Click on Next. After clicking, Revit update info will appear. Click Next. After clicking, the product installation location will appear. Here you can keep all the default settings and click on Install. This Revit software is large in size, and it may take a long time to install based on your PC configuration, so fast forward this portion. Let's wait for the complete installation. In between the installation process, you can start the product. For the time being, let's wait for the complete installation. After complete installation, a successful installation completion message will appear. Click on Start. After clicking, Revit will start automatically. After first initialization, you will get internet connection error message. At this time, let's turn on the internet. Click on Try again. After clicking, sign into your Autodesk account and browser will appear, and it will redirect you to the browser login page. To use your official student credentials, you must have an active Autodesk educational account. I've linked my previous video below, which shows the official registration process on the Autodesk portal. Enter your official student credentials. Click Next. Enter your password. Put a tick on Stay signed in for 30 days. Click Sign in. After clicking, it will ask for OTP sent on email. Enter the OTP. Click Next. After clicking, Trust this device window will appear. Click on Trust this device. After clicking, it will show you your sign-in confirmation. Click on Open Product. After clicking, it will redirect you to the Autodesk ID Manager, which may require confirmation. Put a tick on Always Allow. Click on Open Link. After clicking, it will redirect you automatically to your desktop product. Let's maximize the window. To verify, click on Sign In. Click on Manage License. As you can see, the software is correctly verified under the educational program. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.